Using a plastic bag to seal up or trap the steam while cooking rice is a common practice in most Ghanaian homes, especially when you have to cook on a simmer. The reason for this has to do with the construction of saucepans. The lids over time bend out of shape due to the constant heating and cooling associated with cooking. The plastic bag is used to cover up any space under the lid to prevent the steam from escaping. However, this practice is inherently detrimental to our health. It's way dangerous for us. Now, if you've noticed, the plastic bag normally shrink in size after usage. This means it melts, and when plastic is bent, it releases toxic or harmful chemicals which are potentially carcinogenic, meaning they cause cancer. So you know what? Don't use plastic bags anymore. Get a saucepan with a strong lid which wouldn't burn out of shape after cooking for some time. So please don't use plastic bags anymore. Don't use them anymore. Don't consider using them anymore. Please let your liver be hassle free. Just get a good saucepan and you're good to go, and the rice will equally do fine. It will cook for you as how it's being cooked when you use a plastic bag. Now, one may be somehow skeptical to what I've just explained. You've been using a plastic bag over time and nothing has happened to you. But the problem is, in the long run, what would happen to you is a problem. So please stop using plastic bags. It's dangerous. It's harmful to you and your family. Just get a good saucepan with a strong lid and you're good to go. So thank you for watching, and kindly share this video with others. Please share it with your loved ones. So thank you once again for watching. I hope you will desist from using plastic bags in cooking rice. Share your thoughts in the comments. Kindly give me a like if you found this video educative, and also subscribe if you are new to this channel for more educative videos like the one you've just watched. So thank you again.